Auto login on Windows 10 allows you to bypass the password prompt, automatically signing you in when the computer starts. This feature provides convenience by eliminating the need to enter credentials each time. While this setup is convenient for quick access, especially on personal computers, it significantly reduces security by removing the password barrier that protects against unauthorized access. As of December 2025, Windows 10 has reached its end of life on October 14, 2025, meaning Microsoft no longer provides security updates, patches, or technical support for the operating system. Microsoft strongly discourages enabling auto login due to increased security risks from modern cyber threats such as ransomware, phishing, and unauthorized physical access. This configuration makes your system vulnerable, as anyone with physical access to the device can gain entry without authentication. It's especially risky in shared environments or when the device could be lost or stolen. Disabling password sign-in removes a critical security layer that protects your Windows system. Auto login bypasses the essential authentication that normally requires a password to access files and settings. This means anyone with physical access to your device, whether a family member, colleague, or thief, can immediately log in and view or modify your files without any barriers. With the increasing prevalence of cyber threats like ransomware, which can encrypt your files and demand payment, and phishing scams that trick users into revealing information, auto login exposes your system to these dangers by eliminating password protection. Leading cybersecurity organizations and experts, including Microsoft researchers, warn that auto login significantly increases the risk of unauthorized access and data breaches, based on real-world case studies and statistical data. The simplest method for enabling auto login on Windows 10 uses the built-in NetPilWiz tool. First, press the Windows key plus R to open the Run dialog box. In the Run dialog, type NetPLWiz and press Enter. This opens the User Accounts window. In the User Accounts window, go to the Users tab. Uncheck the option that requires users to enter credentials. Then, select the user account for auto login and enter the password when prompted. Important warning: Microsoft strongly advises against enabling auto login as it bypasses essential security protections and increases vulnerability to unauthorized access. Advanced users can modify the Windows registry to enable auto login. First, open the registry editor as administrator by searching for regedit and running it with elevated privileges. Next, navigate to the WinLogin key at HKey local machine /software Microsoft Windows NT current version WinLogon. Finally, set the required values: default username to your username, default password to your password, and auto admin logon to 1 to enable automatic login. Remember, this is an advanced method that can break your system if done incorrectly. For Windows 10 Pro or Enterprise users, Group Policy provides a powerful way to configure auto login settings. Start by running gpedit.msc to open the local Group Policy editor. Navigate through Computer Configuration, Windows Settings, Security Settings, Local Policies, and finally Security Options to access the relevant policies. Here, you can adjust settings like Interactive Logon, Do Not Require Control-Alt-Del, which streamlines the login process. This policy is shown enabled in the Local Security Policy window. Group Policy offers granular control over login behavior, but remember, this feature is only available in Pro and Enterprise editions, not Home editions. Disabling password sign-in bypasses essential security measures. NIST labels auto login a high-risk configuration. Devices with auto login are 2.5 times more likely to be infected by malware. Consider the risks before proceeding. Instead of disabling password sign-in through auto login, consider secure alternatives like Windows Hello or PIN-based logins. Windows Hello uses biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, offering both convenience and enhanced security over traditional passwords. PIN-based logins provide a quick and secure way to access your system without needing complex passwords. These methods are supported in Windows 10 and align with Microsoft's push toward passwordless authentication. Here's how Windows Hello fingerprint setup looks and the PIN entry screen for quick access. The Sign-In Options menu shows Windows Hello PIN as a secure alternative. These features offer the convenience of auto login while maintaining essential security layers. With Windows 10 reaching end of life in October 2025, it's time to consider upgrading to Windows 11. Windows 11 prioritizes security and significantly restricts auto login compared to its predecessor. Looking ahead, future Windows versions will likely enforce even stricter security measures, making traditional auto login methods obsolete. Instead, adopt secure alternatives like Windows Hello for facial recognition and fingerprint authentication, providing a better and safer user experience.